RSM's Capital Allowances team analyses fixed asset data, such as construction cost information for tax relief purposes. The aim is to allocate data into relevant categories to optimise tax savings based on tax legislation, case law, and our sector expertise. Businesses with complex fixed asset data requirements often employ manual processes to allocate volumes of cost data, which can be time-intensive and prone to human error. We've developed Capital Expenditure Review Technology, known as CERT, that helps reduce this burden and is able to analyse large quantities of data at the touch of a button. CERT is powered by Alteryx and driven by automated workflows to prepare data and apply custom rules tailored to your business or industry needs. By automating the analysis, a task that would normally take hours can be completed in seconds, ensuring consistent, accurate and secure categorization of data. The findings can be viewed within Power BI, an interactive interface with the ability to drill down into specific areas. For example, we can look into the types of costs categorized across tax pool suppliers and any variation across locations or previous years. The final report can be exported using a number of templates and is customizable to meet your needs, whether that's in report format including graphs or as an Excel file. CERT also provides a robust audit trail that can be easily traced back to the source data. This is especially important when responding to potential inquiries from the tax authorities. By using this intuitive technology, RSM can tailor your requirements to sector specifications and replicate the results for past and future years. Some of the common sectors we work across include real estate and construction, leisure and hospitality, retail, manufacturing, private healthcare, automotive, and energy and utilities. Businesses that incur fixed asset data on an annual basis often require a sophisticated capital allowance review process. CERT is ideal for this given its capabilities to streamline processes and optimise tax savings. Contact one of our team to arrange a demonstration.